Now let's learn how to set up and configure your sub-account settings in Zapify.io. So first, you have to go to Settings in the bottom left gear icon. Fill in your business name, here the address, the time zone, and the business hours. Next is set up your email and phone number under the respective settings tab. So here we have the email, the phone number. And last is configure your integrations from the same settings area. So here you can connect or you can connect your accounts here. Just click the connect and it will automatically go there. So that is how you set up and configure your sub account.